Hi, and welcome to week 4's assignment tutorial. This week you're going to be working on creating a literacy or personal narrative. This writing activity provides the opportunity to practice writing about a subject you are extremely familiar with, yourself. Consider the skills you have gained throughout this course as you proceed with your personal narrative. You can also use your week 4 journal entry as inspiration if that's what you chose to write about this week. So basically for this week, you're going to be considering the following question. In your educational journey throughout your entire life, what is one key moment that stands out and how did it affect you? Okay, so you might think of something that happened to you perhaps when you were younger. I know my mom came to me and was like, Amy, you're not really running on track with reading. What's going on? And then I was like, oh, well, I can learn how to read. And then I took off and I was consumed by Laura Ingalls Wilder like shortly thereafter. So like, I don't know, that was like a pivotal moment where all of a sudden in my mind something flipped and I was like, oh, that's what I'm supposed to be doing. Maybe another moment I remember going into high school. One of my favorite coaches approached me and she showed me the honor roll. And it was in the high school honor roll, and it was really girls that I admired and looked up to. And I was like, oh, wow, they're super smart. I didn't know that they were super awesome athletes and super smart. You can be super smart and a super awesome athlete. Not that I was a super awesome athlete, but you can, so anyway, it was just another switch that came off in my head that I was like, okay, I can manage this. Let's see, there were moments in college or too where I learned something about myself, maybe writing a paper, and I really learned how creative I actually can be. Maybe another time in my own professional development was when I got a story published. That was amazing and super cool. And like I didn't know I had that within me. So I might write about that. So there are lots of people and lots of events that have happened in our life that have really been formative in our growth and search for an education. So think of a moment that really means something to you and talk about it. You need to talk about it in at least 175 to 350 words. Make sure you're using descriptive details. Make sure it's engaging. And then make sure to convey your message. What is important about what happened to you. Sorry. Can't wait to hear from you. Have a great day out there. Talk to you soon.